Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What is going on? I hope you are having a fabulous day. And today we are talking about our favourite stock here on the channel, AMC. Now, wow, what a couple of weeks we are having at the moment. Before we delve into it, make sure you like and subscribe, and also join our Discord where you can speak to myself and Sam, ask us any questions you're not sure about, and yeah, just have a personal kind of touch with us. I'd also like to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor, so take everything I say with a pinch of salt. And with that being said, let's get into the video. So, to start off, we will go through the kind of bad news, if you will. Now, what has happened? So, the majority shareholder has sold a large portion of his company, but still remained the majority shareholder. So, what does this mean? It means either he's lacking in confidence in what the company can do, or he's trying to raise more capital for the company. However, AMC have already raised throughout this whole short squeeze saga over £917 million, or $1 million. Just through this. So that is a significant sum of money. Now, what does that fully mean? That means they can go through 2021 just off what they have raised through this whole escapade, which is big news, especially if you are heavily invested here, like I know I am, and like I know a couple of my friends are. Which is it's kind of comforting for us to hear. More comforting news. They have opened cinemas in New York, which we spoke about a while back, but they are now opening cinemas in Los Angeles. Now, cinemas in Los Angeles, Hollywood is there. This is where they are like the kind of epitome of cinema and film is. So this isn't just they're reopening. This is a big tackle for them to make. They are taking the bull by the horns, and they are going to be reaping the rewards in their next earnings. And I feel now is a great time to end up getting in to this stock. Because of this, they're going to be making profit. We know they're going to be making profit, and I just think this stock is going to easily sit as a solid $15 stock, and as we can see currently it's trading at about $13. So already there, that is a positive. And now to the most important bit, and the bit that people are waiting to hear. The squeeze is here. In my opinion, I can only ever see AMC going up for the foreseeable future, and I easily think this can hit $20 to $25 minimum. That is the floor in my view. Why is the squeeze here? Well, as we've mentioned a lot, and I know I mention it a lot, and I know Sam mentions it a large amount as well. When there is hype around a stock, that increases the demand for the stock. With the increase in demand and supply, there's more demand than there is supply, price goes up. Now, with this stock being pushed on Reddit like it has been by sites such as Wall Street Bet, the stock around this, like the hype around this stock, is just mind-blowing. I've never seen anything like it. And like we said, the short interest on AMC did reach up to about 80% at one point in time. That was granted a couple of months back, however it still hit there. Now, what does that mean? So when you short a stock, obviously you borrow a stock off the lender, sell it immediately in the hope to buy it back at a later date cheaper in price. Now, if it doesn't go cheaper, then you're going to start losing money. However, you've still got to buy the stock back. It's a loan. You've got to buy it back. The only time you don't have to buy it back is if the company goes bust, which is why the hedge funds were in so much trouble when it came to GameStop, because they still had to buy this stock back. They shorted it about $8 and the stock went to $300. So that is a sizable sum of money per share. I know I couldn't afford it, especially at the prices they're dealing with. But in my opinion, the squeeze is here. The shorts are going to have to be buying back their shares, and I can only ever see the price going up for the moment. I would be very careful at the moment. I would watch the pre and post market like a hawk, because again, it's just dipped below 13, it's hovering at about 13, but I can easily see it going $15 between now and the open tomorrow. So that is all from me today. I hope you guys have had a fabulous day, and we will be back with you for another video tomorrow. Take care, guys.